I wanted to come over here and gush about something that I have been working really hard at. I know it's been a while, but this last leg of pregnancy has been particularly exhausting, especially with this one, who is oh so active, ain't you? I made a coloring book, and this is one of the two projects that I've been doing this full year while I've been pregnant. I'm supposed to be on bed rest. Probably shouldn't be holding her right now. Art has always been a way that I have really processed difficult emotions in my life. And so I just wanted to share that with the world, and I wanted to gift that opportunity to other people who may be stressed, who may be going through difficult life events, for a calm focus to help you de-stress, to help you go through any kind of difficult emotions as an art therapy. I hope you like it. I'm going to leave an instructional video right here that I have put on my Etsy. Oh, also, I am starting an Etsy, and the grand opening is today, April 1st, 2022. So I'm really, really excited about it. You guys get a lot of value from it too.
Yeah.
My Etsy shop will be in the description below. Go check it out and let me know what you think.